Clean fiber connections are vital for the long-term reliability and performance of fiber optic systems. Vericom's fiber optic cleaning tools are all you need for quick and dependable fiber optic cleanings. Use Vericom's optical connector click cleaners for SC, ST, FC, and LC, MU adapters. Each cleaner will clean over 800 ferrules. When using the click cleaners, insert the appropriate cleaner into the adapter you would like to clean and simply push it against the ferrule until it clicks. Use the cap end of the optical connector click cleaners as an adapter for use on different ferrules. Vericom's MTP connector cleaner is easy to use with a click clean function. Each cleaner will clean over 600 ferrules. Insert the cleaner into the MTP adapter you would like to clean and then simply push it against the MTP end face until it clicks. Use Vericom's optic fiber connector cleaners with MPO, LC, SC, FC, ST, D4, MU, MT, and DIN connectors. The optic fiber connector cleaner has replaceable cartridges and cleans 500 connectors per cartridge. Depress the thumb lever to expose the cleaning surface, and simply wipe the connector along the cleaning surface. Contact Vericom today for the tools you need to ensure maximum reliability and performance of your fiber optic system.